Looking for the best clamp meter in 2026? Whether you're a professional electrician, maintenance technician, HVAC specialist, or serious DIY enthusiast, choosing the right clamp meter can save you time, improve safety, and deliver more accurate measurements. Today on Deal Explorer, we're counting down the 5 best clamp meters available this year. Stay until the end to discover our #1 pick. Our rankings are based on measurement accuracy, build quality, advanced features, reliability, and overall value for buyers in the US. Let's get started. Starting our list at number 5 is the ANENG CM86. This affordable clamp meter delivers excellent value for users who need dependable everyday performance without spending a premium price. It measures up to 600 amps of AC and DC current, supports voltage testing, resistance, diode testing, and includes convenient non-contact voltage detection for quick safety checks. The compact design makes it comfortable to carry, while its true RMS capability provides dependable readings even when electrical signals aren't perfectly clean. If you're a homeowner, DIY enthusiast, or entry-level electrician looking for professional features on a budget, the ANENG CM86 is an impressive choice. Taking 4th place is the HoldPeak HP870P power clamp meter. This model stands out because it goes beyond standard current measurements by offering advanced power analysis features. It's capable of measuring voltage, current, active power, and energy consumption, making it especially useful for commercial electrical maintenance. With support for nearly 1,000 amps, solid construction, and reliable performance, it's an excellent tool for professionals who regularly diagnose electrical systems and monitor power efficiency. The HP870P is built for technicians who need more than basic measurements. Coming in at number 3 is the Owon CM2100 series. This professional-grade clamp meter features an impressive 20,000 count display, providing exceptional measurement resolution for demanding electrical work. It also includes true RMS measurement, variable frequency drive support, diode testing, and a durable, ergonomic design built for everyday professional use. The bright display, excellent accuracy, and premium build quality make this one of the best choices for electricians who demand precision. If measurement accuracy is your highest priority, the CM2100 deserves serious consideration. Our runner-up is the UNI-T UT07B or UT08B. UNI-T has earned a strong reputation worldwide for producing reliable professional test equipment, and this model continues that tradition. It measures up to 1,000 amps, supports both AC and DC current, features true RMS technology, low-pass filter mode for variable frequency drives, and Inrush current measurement for motor startup diagnostics. The rugged construction and dependable accuracy make it a trusted companion for professional electricians, industrial maintenance teams, and HVAC technicians. If you want proven reliability backed by a respected brand, this is one of the safest choices you can make. Our #1 pick is the Owon CMS101. This isn't just a clamp meter, it's an advanced 3-in-1 diagnostic tool that combines a digital clamp meter, an oscilloscope, and Bluetooth recording capabilities into one compact device. It measures up to 1,000 amps of AC and DC current while allowing users to capture waveforms, record measurements, and review data directly from compatible mobile devices. The rechargeable 18650 battery delivers long operating time, while the integrated oscilloscope dramatically expands troubleshooting capabilities that most clamp meters simply can't match. For professionals working on complex electrical systems, automotive electronics, renewable energy installations, or industrial equipment, the CMS101 offers unmatched versatility. If you're investing in one premium clamp meter for 2026, this is our top recommendation. Those are our top 5 clamp meters for 2026. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Deal Explorer, and turn on notifications for more buying guides and technology reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.